thinking, so do people that have this strong inclination to shed blood, and considering the seed of a man is considered the blood of a man within a man, and is compared to blood. I mean, one who sheds seed is considered to be a murder.
Yeah.
So if people that have this inclination to shed blood, do they also have inclination to waste seed? Like, being promiscuous? Like,
I think
I've
so.
seen a
Yes.
lot of serial murders that they're also very promiscuous people as well. So.
Yes. That's a connection. 100%. Yes.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.